Well, now you can turn your photo into a Studio Ghibli style for free using ChatGPT, because apparently OpenAI has changed their mind and now they're releasing this image generation for free for all users in ChatGPT. So you don't have to pay for the Plus or Pro subscription because there's no need to do that. GPT-4o image generation is available for free. So let me show you how you can create a beautiful Studio Ghibli style using a simple prompt. Alright, so first let's go to chatgpt.com and make sure that you log into your account. And after that, I'm going to click on this button and click upload for my computer. I'm going to select this picture, the same picture that I'm showing you earlier. And after that, you want to click on this button, click view tools and create image. So as you can see, there is a label that says updated, meaning that it is no longer using the DALL-E model, it is using GPT-4o. And now let's provide some prompt, because this prompt is going to be very important. I have several options which I'm going to leave in the video description, but for this video I'm going to use this first prompt. You just need to select one of them, and I'm going to copy this, and let's go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste the prompt into this area. And when you're done with the picture and the prompting, you can send a message and just wait for ChatGPT to generate the picture. Now, there is a few things that you need to know. This process takes quite some time. It is way slower than the DALL-E model or pretty much any image generation model, but the result is usually very good. And another thing that you need to know is that there is a limit on how many times you can use this new image generation model if you're using a free account. In my experience, I can only generate maybe between 3 to 5 images a day, which is not a lot, but I think if you're not using it very often, I think it is quite generous. Now, given that this could take anywhere between 3 to even 10 minutes, I'm going to just skip forward when AI has finished creating this picture. And there you go. So this is the result of the Studio Ghibli style that was created by ChatGPT based on this picture. And I think it looks very close, and I gotta say the result is quite amazing. Now you can download this picture, you can set it as your profile picture if you want, and you can even edit the picture. You can click on this button to select the area that you want to modify, or you can send an instruction or a prompt to AI to edit the photo for you. So in some ways, this new image generation capability could replace other tools like Canva or Photoshop for certain editing. So yeah, feel free to use ChatGPT image generation to do a lot of tasks that is involving image creation or image modification. So that's basically how you can turn any photo into Studio Ghibli style using ChatGPT for free. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.